Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to share something very close to my heart, my ultimate hair secret that's been a lifesaver for me. Wherever I go, this little jar of homemade hair oil is my constant companion. When I first moved to the USA, my hair started falling like crazy. The weather, the water, the stress, it all took a toll on my hair. But instead of panicking, I turned to something I've trusted since childhood, this simple, homemade hair oil. Fast forward to today, and my hair is thicker, longer, and healthier than ever. Everyone keeps asking me, what's your secret? Well, this is it, the superhero of my hair routine, and now I'm revealing it to you. This oil not only saved my hair, but it also helps me grow it faster, up to 3 inches overnight. Yes, you heard that right. And the best part? It's super easy to make, with simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Are you ready to learn the recipe? Let's get started. Whether you're a busy mom, a student, or just someone who loves taking care of their hair, this recipe is for you. If you've been dreaming of longer, healthier hair, this oil is your answer. So go ahead and try it. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Before we jump into the step-by-step process, let me tell you why this hair oil is a complete game changer. Each ingredient in this recipe has been carefully chosen for its amazing benefits for your hair. Let me break it down for you. Firstly, I'm taking 3 super and core heroes of this hair oil, that is fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, flax seeds, and dry rosemary. Step-by-step procedure. DIY hair oil for long, thick, and healthy hair. Step 1. Prep the ingredients with care. Let's start by prepping our magical ingredients. These are nature's finest gifts for our hair. First up, fenugreek seeds. Just look at these tiny golden seeds. Did you know they're loaded with proteins and nicotinic acid? They stimulate your scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce hair fall like a pro. Who wouldn't want that? Roasting these seeds brings out their nutrients and eliminates their bitterness. The aroma is amazing. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried fenugreek for your hair? Next, we have curry leaves, an absolute treasure for long and thick hair. These are rich in beta-carotene and amino acids, which nourish your scalp, prevent thinning, and give your hair a glossy finish. Plus, they're known to slow down premature graying. I always feel so connected to my roots when I use curry leaves. Listen to that sizzle. It's like these curry leaves are singing a symphony of nourishment for your hair. Take 1 cup of fresh curry leaves. If you're feeling generous, add a little more. No worries, because curry leaves are a powerhouse for hair growth. They're packed with essential nutrients that strengthen your roots, prevent hair fall, and bring life back to dull, damaged strands. It's like nature's gift for thick, shiny, and healthy hair, because curry leaves are a powerhouse for hair growth. They're packed with essential nutrients that strengthen your roots, prevent hair fall, and bring life back to dull, damaged strands. It's like nature's gift for thick, shiny, and healthy hair. Roast until they're crisp. Smell that? It's already so aromatic. Now let's add some flax seeds. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which are amazing for repairing damaged hair, reducing frizz, and promoting silky smoothness. And here's a fun fact. Flax seeds help lock in moisture, so your hair stays hydrated all day. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and roast until they pop. This activates their nutrients, making them more effective for your hair. Look at them popping with joy. This step activates their nutrients and makes them even more effective. Once they've cooled down, transfer them to a jar for the next step. This is where the process gets exciting. Let's keep going and make this amazing hair oil. And finally, rosemary. This herb is not just for cooking, it's a scalp superfood. Rosemary improves blood circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your hair follicles. This results in faster, healthier hair growth. How many of you have tried rosemary before? Share your thoughts below. Add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. Combine all the roasted ingredients with rosemary in a grinder and make a fine powder. Here's our golden magic powder, pure nourishment for your hair, ready to work wonders. Look at this, it's like gold dust for your hair. Step 2. Create the oil base. Now, let's create the perfect oil base. Starting with coconut oil, which is my all-time favorite. It deeply moisturizes, repairs damaged hair, and leaves it super soft and shiny. Plus, it protects your hair from breakage. Coconut oil is like a warm hug for your hair. You can use any brand of coconut oil that you prefer, but for me, Parachute coconut oil has been my go-to since childhood. It's my absolute favorite and has always been a part of my hair care routine. Next, we'll add Amla Oil, also known as the Indian gooseberry elixir. This oil strengthens your roots, prevents hair fall, and promotes long, luscious locks. Amla is rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production for healthier and faster-growing hair. When it comes to Amla Oil, you can use any brand you like, but for me, my all-time favorite has been the one I've used since childhood. Even here in the USA, I can easily find it in Indian stores, and it's always a part of my hair care routine. Mix together and mix well. Step 3. Infuse the magic powder. Now comes the exciting part, adding our magic powder to the oil base. This step is so important because the heat will help infuse all the nutrients from the powder into the oil. Do you see how beautifully these two oils blend together? It's already a powerhouse for your hair, but we're just getting started. Here, I'm taking 1 spoon of our magic powder and mixing it well with the oil. I'm using just a little powder today because I've already prepared a batch for myself. I'll show you that at the end. For now, I'm making a small quantity just to show you all. You can always increase the amount of this magic powder based on how much oil you're preparing. Remember, keep the flame low to preserve all the goodness. The fenugreek strengthens your roots, the curry leaves add shine, the flax seeds reduce frizz, and the rosemary promotes growth. It's like each ingredient is working in harmony for your hair. Isn't this like making a magical potion? The aroma is so calming too. It feels like a mini spa session right in your kitchen. Step 4. Cool and enhance with more oils. Once the oil cools down, we're going to take it to the next level by adding a few more nourishing oils. Once the amla, coconut oil, and our magic powder are gently heated on low flame, let the mixture cool down completely before adding castor oil. The reason we don't mix castor oil while heating is to preserve its rich nutrients and thickness. It doesn't need heat to blend in. Always add castor oil to the cooled mixture to ensure you get all its amazing benefits for healthy, strong, and thick hair. Add 2 spoons of castor oil and mix it well. This thick oil is the ultimate hair growth booster. It strengthens your roots, prevents hair fall, and promotes thicker hair. Next, mix a spoon of almond oil, which is rich in vitamin E and makes your hair soft, shiny, and hydrated. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and biotin, promoting hair growth and thickness. It deeply moisturizes, strengthens strands, reduces breakage, and soothes the scalp. Its lightweight texture improves hair elasticity and adds shine, leaving your hair healthier, softer, and naturally beautiful with every use. By adding almond oil to your hair care routine, you're not only ensuring long and thick hair, but also healthy and luscious locks that everyone will envy. Finally, add a spoonful of vitamin E oil and mix it well. Vitamin E oil is essential for promoting thicker and longer hair. It's packed with antioxidants that improve blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging healthy hair growth. Additionally, vitamin E moisturizes the hair, reduces dryness, and prevents split ends while protecting against environmental damage. By adding vitamin E oil to your routine, you're giving your hair the nourishment it needs for stronger, more resilient growth. Let's blend this in for luscious locks. Look at that. This oil is like liquid gold for your hair. So rich, so nourishing, and so full of love. Step 5. Store and apply. And here it is, our magical hair oil, ready to transform your hair. Pour it into a clean, dry jar and store it in a cool place for 1 day. Keeping it for a day allows the ingredients to blend and enhance their properties. This resting period helps the oils to infuse, ensuring that all the beneficial nutrients work harmoniously together. As they mingle, the oil becomes more potent, maximizing its effectiveness when applied to your hair. This step is crucial for unlocking the full potential of the magical hair oil. So be patient and let the mixture work its magic. Next day. See how easy it is to make this hair oil. No complicated steps, no expensive ingredients, just pure, natural goodness for your hair. The aroma of this hair oil is absolutely enchanting. It's filling my kitchen with a delightful scent that feels just like a spa experience. If you've been struggling with hair fall, dryness, or slow growth, give this recipe a try. Whether you're a busy mom, a student, or just someone who loves taking care of their hair, this recipe is for you. If you've been dreaming of longer, healthier hair, this oil is your answer, so go ahead and try it. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Do you have any favorite DIY hair tips or questions about this oil? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Take a small amount of oil, warm it slightly, and gently massage it into your scalp with your fingertips. This not only helps the oil penetrate deeper, but also improves blood circulation, which promotes hair growth. Apply it along the length of your hair as well, focusing on the ends to prevent split ends. Leave it on overnight, or for at least 2 hours, then wash it off with a mild shampoo. After just one use, you'll notice your hair feeling softer, healthier, and thicker. And with regular use, you'll be amazed by how long and luscious your hair can grow. Use it every day or at least 3 times a week, and you'll see effective and quicker results. This simple routine will nourish your hair, making it healthier and more vibrant. Enjoy the transformation. What's your favorite hair oil ingredient? Have you tried any of these before? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts. If you're excited to try this recipe, comment hair goals below. This recipe is so simple, yet so powerful, and I can't wait for you to try it. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so you never miss another hair care secret. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep shining. Bye.